Good morning, everyone. This is Edward up in Alaska. Ventech heating systems for the diesel engines. Just got home after being gone for 2 weeks. Brushed the door off, haven't even opened it up, so this will be a cold start. And see what it does as far as heating up. Here's the switch for the Ventech to show that it's initiated. Let's see what we get. It was -8 when I got home. I don't know what the current temperature is right now outside. It says 1 degree on the dash. Oh, she fired up. It's been 2 weeks since I ran it. Covered in snow. I do have a battery maintainer on it, which is why the hood pop is, but I did not have a block heater on it. So we'll keep an eye on that temperature and see that go up as the Ventech system works. I'm going to turn the heat on because it's cold in here. And I can feel it when it warms up. It's icy cold blowing right this second. This is heating it up from sitting 2 weeks in the snow up in Alaska. It was -8 yesterday when I got home. It says it's 1 degree right now. And it has not been ran. So this engine is cold. See, she's all still iced in, so still got snow on the windshield. Just cleared off the door to get in here, so. It does take a couple minutes, normal operation, to heat that much coolant up, especially from such a cold temperature. Or give it its time to do its job. Feel on the vents that it's starting to warm up. It's only been a couple minutes from the cold start. Anybody driving a diesel pickup truck knows it takes 20-30 minutes in the winter to get it to warm up. So it means it's working. Which is quite impressive to be blowing lukewarm air after only a couple minutes of a cold start after sitting for 2 weeks. It just continues to get warmer and warmer. There's a temperature come up already. So from when I started the video outside to temperature coming off of 0 is 6 minutes and 30 seconds. That's pretty quick to go from -8 yesterday to 1 degree this morning to blowing hot air, and already the needles come off the bottom. Pretty impressive product. That's Ventech heating systems. I highly recommend them. Thank you.